back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and if you've been here before, you already know what it is. You already know what time it is. But as you can see the title, so you already know what we own. You see the title, you already know what we own, because I'm back again with another banger. What number is this week? Okay, what number is this month? Like, who on the road? Me.
Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they blow my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Bitch be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got 2 million for using a mic. Bitch, think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass on fat, with the waist on sweet. Ginger hair, pretty gon' beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, run out of town, fuck me feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing balloons, see the flex. Like me, I got no obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glistening on my boo. They gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? Can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Took so many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you bought. Gave a Bentley to
If you claim you want me, it ain't no
Ooh, I'm back again. Okay, besties, listen. I'm at the gym. I forgot to tell y'all. I was thinking like, oh my god, I forgot to tell them what's been happening at the gym. So they have been remodeling some of the gyms or some of the 24s or whatever. And tell me why everybody was at one gym. When I tell you for like 2 weeks, the gym has been packed. Like one of the gyms that we go to, packed, like nowhere to park, driving around, like you go in there is everybody on a machine, everybody on the grass, everybody on there. But the 24 in Lakewood, I don't know about the 24 in Lakewood. Like it's cool, it be empty, but the machines is not, they're not good. Like it's like some of them are broke, some of them don't work right. Like it's just, so I'm back at this gym. They're having a grand opening or whatever. I'm gonna try to show y'all a little. I'm gonna try to show y'all a little bit of something, but and I'm waiting on my friend. Like tick 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 tick. Been waiting on her. And she talking about she gonna be here in a minute. She needs to come on so I can get in and out. You know. But I see y'all inside. I got their little banner. Y'all see what y'all own.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, it's a grand opening just to support the club. Can you give us a 5-star review?
Okay, that's the account. Next time, that's a great club. We have something to phone call as well.
Okay, that's fine. I don't have my card on file because she added herself to my stuff.
No worries. And there is her adding a card. Well, that's fine, yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Thanks, guys.
What happened? You pay your...
No, my annual fee was due too.
What?
So like $80. I don't pay.
I'm going to show you the recovery room.
I don't know. Let me see. I don't know.
You don't know if you like it?
I don't know if I like it.
Oh, good. So that's
Oh, so they took the basketball court?
So I started doing it too, but I never did it to you. Oh no, oh no. So why you do it to me, baby? Sounds so stupid to me. Ain't it funny how you couldn't be alone? God in your eyes, and crossing your T's, needing your dirt.
I just pulled up to California Fish Grill. You know, after a good little workout, you gotta eat you something. But I don't know what if I want the salmon or if I want the tacos. End up getting the tacos and some fries. I probably won't eat these fries, and then I have my water.
Probably get this back to him. Just please.
But I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. I'm about to watch my show. And I don't know what happened to my red sauce because I don't have any sauce on there, but I'm glad I got some extra sauce. What's up, besties? Okay, I'm just coming back in because it's been a while. It's been a minute. You feel me? But I'm just coming back in real quick to holler at y'all. I'm not doing that there. You feel me? I'm getting ready to go to the doctor. And no, y'all can't go with me. Y'all can't go with me to the doctor, okay? So don't ever be like that, okay? But I'm gonna end this video off right here, and you already know what to do. You already know the vibe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in another one sooner than later.
I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good.